What up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to properly clean your touchscreens in your car. With this, definitely not, but with this, let's go check it out. Alright, many of you may have thought that you could just clean your touchscreens with alcohol, rubbing alcohol, Windex, or those glass wipes, or even those bleach wipes, but that is totally wrong. They can and will damage your screens. They can cause discoloration, they can remove the hydrophobic and oleophobic coatings, which are basically anti-smudge, anti-fingerprint on your screens. So definitely do not use any Windex or ammonia based products, straight rubbing alcohol or anything with bleach, because they will damage your screens. So today I'm going to be using this new product called Evio electronic wipes. They contain no ammonia, no bleach. They do contain a slight amount of isopropyl alcohol. It's very light. When you take it out, you can barely smell it. It doesn't, tingle your sinuses, like regular alcohol. So there is a small amount which won't, severely damage your screens over the long run. So we're gonna be checking it out. As you can see my screen, it's highly dusty. I even smudged a little bit of deodorant and Vaseline on there to mimic like gunk or fingerprint or Cheeto fingers or whatever you have on your screen. So we're gonna be testing this product out and see how well it cleans. All right, just pull out a wipe. Comes in this convenient pull out case container. Comes with 40 wipes. Do not flush obviously, but streak free, easy to use, premium. As you can see the ingredients here. Water, some alcohol. This is meant and designed for screens, monitors, TVs, so they won't put any harsh chemicals that can damage your touchscreen. So like I said, I put some deodorant and some Vaseline on there to mimic smudges or oily fingers, because Vaseline is not really easy to wipe off unless you really scrub. So we're gonna be testing this thing out. Let's see how it goes. Wow, took it right off. And it claims it's streak free, so let's see how fast this thing dries and if it really does the job. Alright, let's wait here. Alright, it's been a few minutes. As you can see, there's a lot of leftover residue. I'm a bit disappointed. It claims to be streak free, so I'm not sure what's going on. Might be the leftover Vaseline and deodorant, and maybe I put a little too much. I couldn't handle it, so I'm a bit disappointed. I might be returning this product. Well, see you guys next time. Alright, the instructions are: turn off the device, dispense the first wipe, wipe the screen, and buff and shine with microfiber cloth. Apparently I didn't read the instructions, and I was complaining that there were streaks and whatever. So apparently it was my fault for not reading the instructions. But apparently, you had to buff and wipe with a microfiber cloth. But after doing so, it's actually really good, really clean. You don't see any spots, fingerprints, minus the dust, since my windows are closed and it's quite dusty in here. So yeah, this product actually does work. I just didn't follow the directions, so my fault. So yeah, this product works. I guess I'll be keeping it, and next time I'll probably read the instructions first before testing products out. Thank you guys for watching.